Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set time in Igpsport. Most Igpsport cycling computers offer two primary methods for setting the time: automatic synchronization using GPS signals or manual adjustment of the time zone. Before we dive into the steps, please ensure your Igpsport device is powered on and has at least a 20% battery charge for uninterrupted setup. The easiest way to set your Igpsport device's time is through GPS synchronization. Simply take your device outdoors, ensuring it has a clear, unobstructed view of the sky. Remain stationary for a short period, typically between 5 and 120 seconds, while it acquires satellite signals. Once connected, your device will automatically calibrate the current time and date, ensuring accuracy. 2. If you prefer manual control or are indoors, you can adjust the time zone directly. Start by holding the right button on your device for more than 2 seconds to enter the setting mode. Then, navigate through the options, often labeled as E2, E3, or a system or time menu, until you find the time zone setting. Use the left and right buttons to precisely adjust the hour and minute digits to match your local time zone. 2, 4, 7. Once you've made your adjustments, remember to save them. Typically, you'll hold the right button for more than 2 seconds to save your settings and exit the menu. After exiting, double-check the displayed time and date on your Igpsport device to ensure everything is accurate. For some models, you can also use the Igpsport smartphone application to synchronize time settings, offering another convenient method. 2, 4, 9, 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.